Breaking the resistance. Breaking the resistance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From the bottom I came, for the money and the fame. So it never feels the same, I can feel it in my veins. Going on 20 in my lane, and the haters gonna hate, but you know what they say. In the jungle you pray, you know the pain don't stay, and the levels don't hold, and the patterns will fold, and the winners are bold. So I'm never getting old, and I already told you. Oh, you can watch from the sidelines, but we gotta get it. This is the secrets of culture. Hey, it's been brewing from within. We're the ones who've been working to change the world. It's like breaking the resistance. I could change your world. Breaking the resistance. You can watch from the sideline. You can watch from the sideline, but you gotta get in. This is the secrets of culture. This is the secrets of culture. It's been brewing from within. We're the ones who've been working to change the world. It's like breaking the resistance. I could change your world. I was told when I was younger, the difference between a sprinter and a runner, you only need one, but the other is a one and done. Gotta put in work, the beginning always hurts. They just came to see the show, but this hustle run the world. One touch, two touch, three. If you know what I mean, see a lot of sheep that don't belong with the team. I can never be the one to give up on the dream, and I'm a breakout trader. Don't care what you think, what you think. Oh, you can watch from the sidelines, but we gotta get it in. This is the secrets of culture. It's been brewing from within. We're the ones who've been working to change the world. It's like breaking the resistance. I could change your world. Breaking the resistance. You can watch from the sideline. You can watch from the sideline, but you gotta get it in. This is the secrets of culture. This is the secrets of culture. It's been brewing from within. We're the ones who've been working to change the world. It's like breaking the resistance. I could change your world. The sun clocked out on me. I still got smoke in my teeth. Ran through the gate. Yeah, we call it the way. They said so clear. Heat on my throat. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. At my throat. Heat on my throat. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to drip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. At my head go, heat on my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. At my head go, heat on my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, that's all father, I'm doing my job.
Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, one into one shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, one into one shift. We in and out quick. Am I too? Eat my eyes, do a quick 5 thing, counting up on both hands. That's the middle. Am I too? Eat my eyes, do a quick 5 thing, counting up on both hands. That's the middle.
First 15, we gon' go. Big Daddy Mac, run the show, yeah. Wake up, charts up, coffee in my right hand, marking out the high-low, lines on the white band. First ball, building it, I can feel the pace race. 15 on the clock, hard on the day trade. Range set, price press, I'm in prep mode. All beat, trigger, see it slip through that preload. Break, clean out tagging, wrist small, bag big, click once, sit back, watch the green drip. Payouts hit, same time, New York buzzing. Phone light up, couple bands from a button. Group chat, yelling Max did it like that. Every little move coached by Big Daddy Max. Open and range breakout, we don't chase, we wait. First 15 on the clock, then we open the gate. Payout after payout, stacking up, relax. Freedom in my browser tabs, me and Big Daddy Max. Laptop, lakeside, sliders on toes out. Charts in the shade, whole squad on a day route. London, Tokyo, homies in the same place. Signals in the air, I can feel it when the range change. Trail start locking, let it run, don't beg it. Let the candle close strong, then we skim off credit. Withdraw screenshots, send it to the fan chat. Another little freedom check, caption with a laugh track. Used to punch clocks, now I punch in tickets. From the couch, from the plane, life moving quicker. Kids in the backyard, I'm watching while it tracks. Turning 15-minute window to a life that never lacked. Open and rain breakout, we don't chase, we wait. First 15 on the clock, then we open the gate. Payout after payout, stacking up, relax. Freedom in my browser tabs, me and Big Daddy Mac. 1 ball, 2 balls, wait, then attack. Never rush, never chase, let it come back. 1 trade, 2 trades, hit, then relax. Living how I wanna live, all thanks to Max. Big Daddy Mac. Yeah. Big Daddy Max.
the price. Now we can be friends if the number's right, but I ain't gonna buy if the cost is too high. No, I ain't gonna pay for that kind of night. You ain't worth my time. You ain't worth my dime. No, you ain't worth my time. You ain't worth my dime. I'm just a buyer and you are a seller, but you can't be a seller if there's no one to sell to. You want my money and I want your loving, and even though we're fighting it, we need each other to get it. So give me what I want, girl. Give me what I need. Give me what you got. Give me everything. Give me what you got. Give me everything. Give me what I want. Give me what I want, girl. Give me what I need. Give me what you got. Give me everything. Give me what you got. Give me everything, and I'll pay the price.
Red pajama in the booth, big drama. Yeah. Turn the dial, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught killer, now they study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees. Funding pays for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You reprice, I repeat people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them sprint into the gap. Got 'em psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Oh, yeah. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Yeah. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. I don't flinch at the dip, I've been broken, I've been bruised. I don't fold on a tick, I decide what I lose. I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, 1 meal. One cheap meals, go nice. In the taste of menu life. To the ego sets for miles. To the chauffeur at my side. Same brain from the bottom, just separated how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Yeah. Count it up. 1, 2.
Let's get in this. Let's get in this. Let's get in this. Let's get in this. gonna start a revolution, I don't doubt it. But sometimes I think his vision's a illusion. No, he sees life through different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me. And I don't wanna be that guy. He's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it. But sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day.
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show, guys. Today we have the maestro Javi with us today. Javi, how you feeling?
Pretty good, man. Pretty damn good. Early morning. I just did an hour workout, so I did rush. I was almost out on time.
Oh wow, Javi, the hell.
I'm still sweating a little bit.
Very
Dude, yeah,
nice.
man.
Okay, well, the market opens up in about 24 seconds. Javi did jump into this little long here.
Juju saying cap. Fuck you, Juju.
Very nice.
Sweat my
Let's get
balls
Instagram
off.
going on, Juju. Let's get him out of here. We're not going to deal with the disrespect today. Let's get him out of here. Javi was obviously working out, guys. You could see the sweat glands opening up over there. 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. If it does break this, I think it has room for 300, but I'm conflicted. I'm in the middle of two very strong levels.
Oop, I got trailed out.
It melt and I can see it rip.
That 250 rejected.
There's
That two.
there's the short that I was testing pre-market, just going to dump town. First area
Under
of interest.
180, 55.
Yep, break 70. This would be your break even if you're in the trade. See if we can go down to 45 and then take it to 15. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there it goes.
There's the 45. See if it goes down to
This is
15.
it.
I can't believe I took this short and it did this little squeeze up one more time on me.
This is an interesting area right here.
Yeah, this is
If it
it's
fails
a
to
purple line
close,
for me. It's a midline of a midline of a weekly fair value. Very strong level.
yeah, this
Very strong,
150
very
needs to
strong
hold
level. But I
below it.
do want to see a squeeze to 15. Squeeze to 15
Kinda
could
going.
potentially make it do a up move. This is a very big candle. When it's a candle this big, you could see this 15 reacts over 100 points. Wow. Was
That
in
was
that short right before market open. Might
an
as well do a squeeze.
insane
There's the
rejection.
squeeze to 15. You got to see if it does some type of pullback from here. I wouldn't be surprised if it does some type of pullback from here. Like at least maybe midline, this structure. I love how the middle of this candle lines up with this structure point. It would be cool. Is it worth testing? Yeah, I'm gonna get in it right there. Let's see if we get some type of reaction. There's an insta 15 points.
I'm kind of
I'm
looking
gonna
a little
try
deeper.
to
There's
want to
one
see it
away.
go up higher. Gotta
Whoa, okay,
break
that
this
bounced
40, this
really
purple
hard.
lines where I'm gonna take a partial. There's 30
Oh
points.
shit.
Partial there.
Yeah,
I'm
I
gonna
got
pay
in late as
myself
hell, but I'm.
there. And I'm gonna see if we can go to midline of this
Oh,
gap
let's
now.
go,
There's
Lama.
the break. I want to target this structure lined up with this previous 50 of the candle. I'm gonna take another payment there and I'm going break even. If it comes back down, it's gonna pull me out.
I took
Break
that with
even.
you. I got in
I got
late
entered
though,
in at
so
23. We're rolling 30 points. I just want to see a little bit more of a squeeze upwards. It's a healthy. That would be a healthy retracement.
this
ES
50
definitely.
it needs to close
ES
back above 55 on the 5.
definitely hit the 50%. So notice how here I was trying to get 50% of this candle
Mhm.
on the up move, which is
Yeah,
here, lined up with structure.
about
Look how
180.
ES came to the 50% already, so it doesn't have to go up
I
there
got
anymore.
chilled out.
I have trails still sitting at 25, but it doesn't have to go up there. Just look at how ES did it perfectly, guys. You see how I'm trailing 50%? There was my TP. ES perfectly came up to it. So we're aware. I got pulled there at 20, 25. It literally hit 24. If it bounces now, I'm gonna be pissed. But
Here's the gold
not
MVG
bad.
down at
It's not bad.
29.66.
That's not bad. It gave us some type of reaction.
There goes.
Give us some type of reaction. Now, if it breaks this, I'm not going to be surprised. That's what we were talking about in the morning. Could potentially just rip through this. The long had zero confirmation other than it being a 115 point candle and me wanting to just take it up. So I know I got to play that as a scalp. I know that chair stank. Let's get a bang on Jay Hooligan today. We're not dealing with the disrespect today.
All right, here's that area.
Wait for
Down
the
here,
next move. Break.
2967, 2970 is the gold MVG. That's kind of where I'm looking. If this is gonna bounce somewhat, I'm looking at around that area.
I think it has
really close to
room,
it.
bro. This has a lot of room. We're talking about potential 800 levels.
Yeah, I have 2937. That golden MVG at 66, so it already bounced off the bottom of sauce box right there. Just got a little
Orb is
$100 for
already
3 micros right
160
there.
points.
At the bottom
Orb
of
is
sauce box, that
already
level at 86. So here's that bounce I just caught right there.
so Aniki got the trading llama as Javi, and he got me as the maestro trades. Let's get a bang going on Aniki.
Let's get a bang going on Aniki.
Orb is currently 160 points. That makes me believe I don't think we break out and make a 200 point orb. Do we? That would be very obnoxious.
That would be crazy. I'm
Very
kind of
obnoxious. 30
looking
seconds
at
would
this
give a
area.
fire off. If we break over 40, 30 seconds going to give a fire off.
Shoot, my 2 micros are running right now. I got 2 left. I took out 1. 2 are up about 30-ish points off of the bottom of sauce box. I'm gonna get 1 out of there. And
break over 35.
Ooh, it's getting violent.
Indicator's going to give a fire off, but it's got to break it. This is a BNR on the 0 here on both. Thank you, and yes.
Let's see. She needs to break back above midline. For me, this sauce box midline, so it has to hold above 111, 112, and then we have to close above 135. Then make our way back up over 157, 158.
Up for the day, FFF live 60,000 Oh, that's the account ban. $3,500 today on your fucking FFF live. Good shit, John. Doe.
Good
Did you see
shit.
that position I swung last night, bro? I swung a position last night, entered all the way at 370, and I had to close it out for my consistency. I didn't even want to hold it for a full 300 points.
Come on, keep pushing. That one runner, my one runner is exploding. Holy
It's gonna get
shit.
a print. If it prints over this 30, you're gonna
points.
see a fire off.
Come on, keep going. I want to see a break over sauce box again. That 135, make its way up back to the 150, 160s.
It makes sense, bro. Makes sense. For us to have
Oh,
broken
come
out
on,
and
there we
made
go.
a 200-point orb didn't
There
make
we
sense.
go. Holy shit.
Looking
50
solid
points
here,
right there.
Javier. Looking
Bottom
very
sauce box.
solid pullback there.
This is going to be an interesting area right here because we're
The
stuck in
fire
between
off?
two
Yep,
boxes.
there's the fire off. I'm just not too convinced. This is that purple line I had here, that daily gap. If it doesn't break over the daily gap, it can still come and fill the whole thing. I think it was a weekly.
It's rejecting a little bit right now. Little tip break, rejection. Already got trailed out.
Yep. The weekly gap, there's the midline. If it breaks it, the bottom side of it's all the way at 750, 800 level.
Yeah, this could be
I
the
just
lower high
don't
right
think it's going to create a big ass orb. We should chop until orb gets printed and then it can do a breakout. For it to do a 200-point orb would be crazy. And they got Javi in my room right now with red earrings on. That's crazy. With a red pearl. Okay.
A red pearl earring. Yeah, that sounds
Red
about
pearl
me.
earring.
Yeah,
Red pearl earring. Very interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, just bounced off the
Very interesting.
handle. There goes. Still
We'll wait here, Javi.
midline.
I'm gonna wait here. Even though it's a fire off, I just don't think I want to fuck with it. Not the worst. It's not the greatest. And these candles are still very aggressive. If I were to jump in here, it'd have to be a 20-point SL. I don't want to deal with a 20-point SL today.
Let's see.
I
Yeah,
don't
this
want
could
to
be the lower high here. This could be the lower high if we're going to downtrend.
I don't think it's gonna break out yet. Orb needs to get printed. For it to do a 200-point orb is gonna be. I think I made a video on this. Like it should sit in this chop for a couple more minutes, which I want to avoid playing inside of that.
I'm still looking at this 2965 70 area if it gets down there. But the reaction, if it gets down there though, then it's going to be very bearish because then it could just reject 29.1 if it does get down there. SPX is kind of looking like it wants to push a little bit. There's divergence.
Dude, you said expect reversal with the big orb. Yep, and that's why this pullback made a lot of sense.
So whoa, like, there goes. There's that 65 area.
This is not what
right to it.
80-point orb.
Yeah.
170.
Right there it is again. All right, looks weak. Did not react at all.
Orb is huge. Tongue of 13,800. Good job, buddy.
65.
That's that BNR off the beautiful midline on the weekly. Very clean. Next level is down here at 30, bro. Which is crazy.
Push.
Where was my full TP this morning on this trade that I had? Where was my full TP at?
Oh, there's definitely a reaction. There's definitely reaction in this area, but again, the pull-ups are not looking super powerful yet.
Oh, my full TP was here at 50. We were right there. This was the full trade that I was posting on Instagram. 29,050.
There was the MVG FAP. There's a quick 12 points right there. There's 12, 15. Is that all it's going to give me? 15? Looks like that might be it.
Does it break more? There's another 5 minutes coming.
There we go. Come on. Go. No, don't stall out. Yes, 20. Come on, go. Push.
You in a long Javi or you in a short?
Yeah, off the MVG. I was talking about the area right there. That's 70,
nice,
65.
Nice.
Okay, now I got trailed out right there. All right, I got trailed out. One runner.
Nice.
One runner left.
Nice.
Nice.
I'm waiting here.
Come on. There's a nice 25-point bounce right there. Boom. Keep going. Come on. Break back into sauce box will be nice. This is a rejection area. Okay, trailed out right there. Okay, that's how I do my thing right there, man. That's how I trade. There we go. So I caught it right into sauce box, trailed out. They're rejecting off the sauce box.
Next level's here at 30. That's a full TP here that I had.
I could have taken that short off the rejection of sauce box as well. But this is an interesting area we're in. We need to close below 65 now. And then 29.37 would be next. I can't call it gravity.
I think it's gonna give a little bounce here.
It's sauce
I think it
box.
should give a little bounce here, realistically. This is the TP. This is the full TP that I had on this trade. I swung overnight.
Oh, this is where you had it?
Literally right here was my full TP. Look.
It's still looking like SPX is trying to push up now. So NQ might try to follow if it closes inside 90.
This was the trade I swung overnight. Entered in at 360. TP was at 52. We just hit 51.75, and it should give a bounce from here.
There
And
goes.
so far, it's bounced 30 points. This was the whole 300-point trade. So that played out. That's good. I posted on my story last night for people to take and everything.
All right, still
You guys
rejecting
get these
sauce
levels
box.
you're talking about, like 37. Javi, did you mention 37? Or did I mention 37? No,
I did. I did mention 37. That's a 5-minute quantum level.
There it is. That's how.
29.37. Yep.
Why don't I have that level on P2P? Nothing showing that level for me. Which level? What level are you talking about, Trucker? I'll explain it to you. What level? Are you talking about this purple line? What are you talking about?
Oh, yeah. Still rejecting.
Still rejecting. 3 minutes left of orb. Does it really break out and create a 200-point orb? Probably. Is a 200-point orb going to make me catch an orb break to fall even more? Probably not. I'm probably going to catch a
NQ is looking super bearish, but SPX is looking bully. Like SPX is looking like it's trying to push, and NQ is like, eh. So it might be going for that next level tap. If SPX breaks below not 76, 45, 49.
031. Good
There
low.
goes. Oh shit. There goes. It's going to it. It's going to
With
29.37.
the break. My area here is at 30. If it breaks 30, my next level is in the 800s. If it breaks this 30, my next level is at the 800s. And realistically, if it taps this 30 while ES taps this PDO, I'm going to click the long button. But it looks like we're going to approach this first here on NQ.
SPX is also hitting that, about to hit that level 76, 45, 49. NQ ripping right below that level. Next level is 29.16. 29.16 needs to hold below 37 though. That's a 5-minute level. So if it pops back above, it's got room. But right now, another rejection.
There's PDO about to get hit on ES. This would be anticipation. Just click the long button.
Yeah. It's testing it. It needs to hold above 37. There it goes back up again. Needs to hold above if it's really going to try to go.
Does 2 more minutes.
Nope, rejected it again. Still looking bearish.
I'm waiting to see if ES can hit this PDO, and I might just click the long and go for a scalp. We have good enough range where a scalp can still give you 50 points minimum.
There's a push.
200-point orb is nuts. Yes, it is. That's why I'm interested in just longing the bottom of it, especially if we can get some type of liquidity taken here on ES.
No, still looking weak. 29.16 might be that next area. 29.16. If it can out, break back above 37. SPX is sitting right on the levels as well.
Leg down. 200-point orb with a break would be fucking insane, bro. That'd be crazy.
16.
ES still there. It is. PDO and ES taken.
Zero reaction. Zero reaction there. Look at that meltdown.
Just bleed or not? 29,000 level. Does it hold? I'm gonna just click the button at the 29,000 with like a 10-point SL. See what happens.
Oh shit! What am I doing there? Next sauce box is all the way down at 28.9.
For my next level is at 800. This could really do a bleed, but I want to see some type of up move, like 20, 30 points. If not, it's just gonna smoke my ass.
I think it's gonna just keep dumping, I think, but who knows at this point? There's gonna be some sort of pull up for sure. But this is looking super bearish on NQ.
It's bleeding like with force right now.
Bleeding through everything. It's just bleeding. Holy shit.
And he got closed. No type of
zero zero reactions there. Yeah, it hit that level, zero reaction.
I instantly got closed. No type of reaction. Just instantly bled through it and is going.
I took the short there. I took the short on that break when I saw no reaction. And I got, again, I'm getting very late entries. And I'm still capitalizing a little
Yes
bit.
is giving a bounce, but and Q is also giving a
I got
bounce.
short
Not
out.
the worst, but it's not the best.
Okay, there's that level 99 is another level that it needs to stay below if it's going to continue. If it pulls over 99, then
Yeah,
back
it
over.
looks like it's just gonna keep dumping.
Yeah.
Next level's 800, bro. Does it just melt to it? I don't really take these breakaway trades.
Yeah, I got
Not the biggest fan of them.
905. Ooh.
Not the biggest fan of this. This is about to just really go.
Oh my god, my two runners are running.
Insta break on
That
NQ.
sauce box short. Did anybody catch the sauce box short? That was a hell of from up here at 29.88. That's 130 points right there. Any of the students caught that?
I just realized I'm not even recording today. W. ES fully ripping up. NQ still is just now getting into orb. Just now. But it has a nice little fair value that it can reject from. ES very strong up move. Probably gonna fire off if it prints up here.
Let's see.
Probably gonna fire off if it prints up here. Realistically.
And we broke through a box from June. That was where that short happened from. And that's where we hit.
There's the ES fire off. Does NQ explode off of it or not? Midline of that gap here. Does it rip through or not is the question.
That's the bottom of orb right there.
If NQ breaks over 30, it's also going to fire off. It's ripping the breakout and break back in could lead for some type of pullback. This is a big ass orb, bro. 270 point orb.
Orb is huge.
Sheesh. Does it break over? If it breaks over 30, you're going to see a fire off, which could lead to probably midline. ES is already there at midline.
Oh, Trump mentioned the word tariff. Is that what it was?
What did he say? On January 1st, 2027, tariffs on all cars, trucks, and both large and small automotives. It will increase to 50% on tariffs? God damn. 50% on tariffs?
I just noticed that we also had a trifecta for the open. The entry would have been up here at 29,132, but a super hefty risk. God damn, that's a huge ass candle. That would have been 100-point risk. Hell no. But still played out.
Let's see. I mean, we're rejecting the first gap. I think if it doesn't break outside, it's kind of worth clicking it.
It's kind of, it can hold over 90. This absolutely, yeah, there's just going now.
There's the full break. If it prints over 30, you're going to see the fire off. Next target would be 60 from there.
Yep, that's what I'm seeing.
Over 740, one and done.
Over
nice.
40 for me.
Nice. Holy
Over
shit.
40?
740 AM?
80 could be hit.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's like a whole 300-point move. Lama, you cute AF. Don't talk to me like that.
Which llama?
Don't talk to me like that.
There's two of us here today. Which llama?
There's the fire off, but ES is at midline, breaking midline. It's not the worst, but it's definitely like, it's very tricky to try to take the reversal. Like, you really want to take it at the bottom at certain level.
Yeah, this needs to hold.
I wanted NQ to go to midline. ES is already rejecting it. I'm not really trusting that. Caught that in SPX options, 250% profit. Yikes. Yikes. 250% gain is crazy.
Little reaction, but not that strong.
Biggest orb I've ever seen. I'm not gonna lie, this might be record for biggest orb I've ever seen too. 270 point orb is crazy. And that's a crazy BNR right off the level. Crazy BNR. Next level is at 800. Look how we're playing off of them. Like, they're playing off pretty clean. It'd be nuts if we go down to 800. We'd have a crazy bleed day. Be like a minus 500 points on the day.
Really testing that
Onside
90.
orb.
There goes. There
Does
goes.
it break
There
out of
goes.
orb again, or does orb hold? And now establish a final like lower high.
This could be a chop zone here, man. But if it can stay under 90, yeah, it's going to continue to go.
Does orb hold and finally create a lower high and then break out? Does it break out into new highs? Look at perfect orb tap. Solid bounce for 20 points. Does it go or not is the question. Does it go or not is the question here. Is that going to be an established lower high, or does it come for new lows?
It's failing to hold above that 90. Needs to really hold above it, and then
Still
it needs
NQ
to
orb though. It's a perfect NQ orb tap at 75.
Yeah.
It's just now got to break back over into the 29,000s.
There's a 5-minute 3Z setting up too if it doesn't pull back above 40. Well, I mean 30, but 40 is still what I'm looking at. Yeah, every pullback is getting met with like an aggressive pull down.
Aggressive. It's super aggressive. I'd have to get into trades with like tight ass SLs. Like this orb tap, not bad. And it's really just like a scalp day. If you can catch a breakout, you catch a breakout. But if not, if you have a wide SL.
Switch off right now. Hell yeah, baby. Yeah, this is just these rejections are so violent. Oh my gosh, yeah, there it goes. Okay, one runner. Fuck yeah. All right.
Oh, and it flipped right back over. There's another orb tap.
Yep.
Caught entry there at the orb. Let's see if we can break or not.
That 2-minute needs to hold over for me. This 2-minute needs to start to hold over 2903.
29,000 might even just be a partial for me, honestly. Just play the scalps, bro.
Still rejecting that.
Instantly waked up. Instantly waked out. Yep.
5-minute 3Z might be a pull down here. Yeah, we could see that. We could see that pull down to 29.9, 28.9, 28.9.
Super divergent. Yes, it's still kind of strong.
Yeah, I stopped looking at it. Very divergent. It's very diverged.
Where does ES actually create the high, or does it just come for the new low? NQ's broken out of orb here. New low met.
Yep, you were low.
Yes, still sitting above. Where this is where basically the fire off was on ES, which would be entry for the on this tap if it's gonna hold. I don't know, twin. I don't know. It's an aggressive day. Definitely an aggressive ass day. Like very aggressive day.
I'm reading the DOM right now. That bounce off of 46 was clean. Literally hit that level to the T, 47.75. I saw the DOM react slightly there. I got one runner running. I entered with 3. I'm just freaking scalping my Katushov right now. This is the 4th account.
Back into orb here.
There she goes.
NQ back inside orb. Does it bounce or no? ES looks, to me, ES looks very strong. Like very strong.
NQ smacked it for a quick 40-point bounce. It's just scalping.
A little orb tap would be probably where I can try to catch an entry. Let's see if let's see if I go for a little scalp. That'll probably be my last trade. I always trade my dick off when I'm with you. Like I just start trading like Javi's taking trades, I'm taking trades.
It's like Javi can now out trade Javi the number of trades. I don't know.
Thank you. ES back at midline. Thank you back at this fucking level.
This 2-minute needs to hold up here. It needs to hold over 29.03. And then we have a shot for it to really push and we can hit 30 again. There's
strong, bro. The moves down are strong.
Yes, they are, but look at that. That was a nice bounce off that.
ES needs to break midline now, and Q, this is the fucking midline gap. Break that if it's gonna go. if it's gonna go.
Yep, there goes Dom reacting
Yeah,
right
come
there.
on.
Dom didn't react that time. So now you want to see it get aggressive. You want to see it really start to get aggressive and pull up to that 30. You don't want to see it hang out in here too much. Because then it just stalls out and keeps testing it, It's just going to make it weaker and weaker. All right, that was a quick little move right there. All right, there's another bounce off of it. There you go, there you go, there you go. See, that's what I'm talking about, right? Each time it needs to get more aggressive. All right. Another one with 3 micros right there. Oh, there we go. All right, sweet. 2 runners running, and there we go. Another.
Do we break
$100.
30 or not? Is the question. Do we break 30 or not? Is the question. I'm just gonna go break even. See if it breaks out. The range is big enough to leave a break even and see if we catch a runner and a half. ES needs to 3-bar through midline. NQ's got to break 30. Like, I'm here clicking long ones on a fucking 300-point down move. Is BDM good?
I
BDM
played
is
every direction.
Maxi is good.
Here we go. Come on.
Maxi is good. No need to worry about Maxi, guys. He is good. He is good.
Testing that
26
close
on the day. Now I'm off to work. There you go. Good day. Good day. Go to work. Good day. Go to work. I'm trailing break even right now. 24 points in profit. We need to break this 30. This is the area of hesitation. ES is 3-barring through midline, which looks very promising. We got to just go here. If we're gonna make this move, it's got to be like right now. This 10 a.m. candle could just swing us back down. Could really just fuck us on the way back down. What great price action for first eval, brother. If your eval is still alive after today's type of PA, pat yourself on the back.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely pat yourself on the
Pat
back.
yourself on the back there, brother.
All right, come
It
on.
looks like we're making a move here. Does it break 30 or not, you little dirty, stinky, smelly girl?
Struggling. Hard rejection there. Hard rejection there. It needs to break through that for sure. Needs to break through that. Make a newer high on the 1. That will be your, what do you call it? Change of character, right?
Change of character. Break a structure, change of character. Yeah. Breaks through 30, it's gonna get nice, but this is the strong area of hesitation. Which if that holds as room for 200 more points down.
Yeah.
So it can get
Needs
ugly.
to hold that 03. I mean, it's right now. There's an aggressive reaction down near 29,000. But it could get trapped between this and 30. So to hold this area.
I put my trail down there and it pulled me. If I get strat 6, I will go on full tilt. 786 sitting at the top of the daily. Yep. It's interesting. Trust me, it's interesting. We have it all sitting there. Do I get strat 6 here? This is the question. At this point, I wanted to go down the way that shit just pulled me like that.
2984 would be the next area if it breaks through 2903. But right now it's holding it. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, look at that. Did you get strat 6?
Full strats. Got hit with a full
I
strat.
retested that. Oh shit. I'm sorry, bro. Like I love playing these bounces.
I wanted to jump back in, but it's just such an aggressive day. I don't want to keep playing, like keep jumping. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, it's very risky
I get it.
to jump at these type of trades.
Oh, I get
But
it.
you're jumping in light. I'm jumping in a little bit heavy.
Yeah, 2 to 3 to 4. This was probably my heaviest right now. I clicked it 4 because my stop was literally a break under 29.03. So 5 point stop, like 7-8 point stop loss on that one.
Yeah, that's not bad.
And the Dom was getting aggressive down.
Risk it all day.
So this
Let's
could be a jump.
Does it break or does it not? Does it break or does it fake? Does it break or does it fake? 10 a.m. candles about to present. You're about to see a crazy ass fucking candle. What side does it go to? After taking this high, could potentially fucking just cook everything. Cook everything in sight. Cook everything in sight.
Once she can hold above 30 and then 40, that's where this move is gonna, I think, potentially occur. For now, it's struggling to hold over 30. The one did do a higher high, so maybe this is your flip happening here, but I still want to see a hold. I want to see a nice closure above 31 and then 40.
Struggling. 10 a.m. should have just been a fucking ripper. Struggling. Struggling there, brother. 10 a.m. should have been a ripper, and it's not. So now
Yes,
we have
yes,
even
nay.
more levels to the south side, but I'm not going to put this on. I don't want to deal with this FIB2 shit.
Back down we go. All right, there's that 2903 again. Not the strongest of bounces, but there was 10-point bounce. There it goes again. That was the fast 15-point bounce right there. But be careful. Just be
Yes, it's
careful.
still sitting at midline, bro. Like, it really makes me think it wants to go up, but NQ's just not playing ball. Like, how many times are we going to take the trade? I don't think I want to keep taking it.
Yeah, be careful. Just be careful. At this point, I played it already 3 times.
Look at
By
ES,
the
full
third time,
break
I'm like
over.
just watching it.
Full break over on ES.
So this time is breaking a little bit through. 84.75 would be that 2-minute hold level. It's already pushing back above. Look at that.
Yeah, it's going.
Right. Hell of a bounce. If it can, again, 32 needs to hold above 30. Let me see where this, actually I have a purple candle here at 32.75 it looks like. So I need a closure, a 1-minute closure above, actually, what is it? Let me see, 33.25. There it goes.
Ripping there. There's a 30 rip.
This might be it here.
I jumped back at it one more
Close
time.
above. Needs to close above.
It's got to close. Yeah, it's got to close up there.
Yep. I always wait for those candle closures.
This is just 3-bar and fucking break everyone's heart. ES is fucking looking so good, bro. Right back down he goes.
This is the range right now, 2903 and 31 or 29,000 pretty much. That's your range right now.
My wall chart's completely froze. Oh, there it is. We're back.
This is kind of stupid right now. I just
back.
counted again. Oh my god. Look at that.
We are back and we're better.
All right, I got trailed out of my runner. Holy shit. Nah, I want to be careful this time. I love when these zones form, bro. When these zones form, it's kind of like really dumb. You just have to gauge your risk again. Again. Fuck yeah, I love this. Another 10 points. Fuck that. All right. Okay, I need to be done here, I think. Oh, yeah, there we go. Thank God I called it on that.
The number right to
I was
orbs.
done there. Holy shit, that's why you have to be careful if you play too much. Holy shit, what a drop. That just melted through it all.
Aggressive drop.
Fuck.
Aggressive drop. Right
Yeah.
back to orb.
Oh, yeah.
Does this break out of orb now or do another orb bounce?
That's the danger of playing it too many times. This 84 level, 84.75, needs to close above it on the 2. That could be your 2-minute potential change of character, but for now, it's rejecting it. It just went up to test it and rejected. There, get rejected again. Look at that, rejected again. It has to break back above that if this 2 minutes going to be your next change of character. Keeps testing that 84, rejected it again. So it's looking weak. So we might get a lower low here. Woo, baby. You have to be careful with this PA, yeah. You have to be very careful. I scalped that area like 4 or 5 times. The last one, 10 points, that was it, got trailed out, and it melted like in the blink of an eye, just went, whoa.
There's
like,
the break on
what's that?
NQ. Yeah, that's an aggressive. You can just expect this type of shit. Jay Hooligan says, I need relationship advice. Talk to me, nephew. What do you need? I got you. What do you need? Let me know what it is. I got you. I'm here. What do you need? You need relationship advice with your wife or what? What is it?
Thought he had a husband. Right there, went right back to 84 to test 84 again.
Me and my wife were on a break, okay? And what happened?
Yeah, and then what happened?
What happened? Because she was cheating. Okay. It happens. Happens to the best of us. She came back. Okay, that's good. She's back.
I think that's the
Good.
issue that she came back. Is that the issue that she came back?
I was greasing from the back, and her booty hole looks different. All right, we're currently bouncing off of orb here. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Oh, I just saw some teleportation there. If it can hold over 84, this is got a chance to go back up. But this is like so dangerous right now because these
It's very
areas are
dangerous. I'm gonna take a partial. I got an entry right at 73. I'm gonna pay myself there. Fuck it.
yeah, pay yourself something for sure.
Fuck it. And I'm gonna go break even.
Yeah,
And if it
aggressive.
pulls me, it pulls me. Decent scalp right to the IFUG, bro. If it fucking pulls me, it pulls me. If it pulls me, it pulls me. Very interesting, bro. I was gonna say and then okay. Okay. All right. Well, I got pulled there, break even. The scalps is just a scalp day. Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. Very, very strong words there.
Yep.
Very strong words there, brother.
Whoa.
Very strong words there. It's a break even day. Leaving runners is almost impossible on a day like today. Everything gets pulled
Yes,
out.
it is.
That's where you gotta just pay yourself and then go
Yeah.
break even.
Yeah,
Like,
my
at
runners
least-
get
at
trailed
least
out
you
like
get to
this.
pay yourself.
Yep. My runners have barely survived. They've been getting a small continuation and then insta pull.
Oh, another warp type with the rejection. Does it go? Now yes is weak in my opinion. This is very weak. Like, NQ is doing little pops and yes is just not going.
NQ is stuck right now.
People
For
been
sure.
running all over Jay Hooligan's wife's ass. Okay.
Yep. Makes
Very
sense.
interesting. Very, very interesting. Restream is not working, by the way, and you can't see none of the YouTube. Let me open up YouTube over here and see what the chat's talking about on
Yeah, that's
YouTube.
what
'Cause
I was just gonna do.
obviously, the Discord is just out of hand. Honestly, this is how's the YouTube? She got broke into. Jesus Christ, the YouTube is already talking about. Avi has a husband. Okay.
Yep.
YouTube's on some bullshit today. So now we have both chats are just on some bullshit today.
Oh man.
Jesus Christ. Guys, maybe short now. Fuck it. Click the short button, bro. Just click it at this point.
The rejections are aggressive.
Max is gone. Can you join an Omaha table and stream? Ooh, that would be fun. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, you play poker?
Oh. I do play poker.
You do?
Yes.
No way. I like poker.
I'm not I have the worst poker face though. Because I make so many faces. Like that I think I guess it's like a double-edged thing, but I have so when I play poker, I have no patience, almost like my trading. So usually if I have like a decent hand, I'm like fucking all in. I'm like either gonna double it or I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, I can't wait and play the patience game. I'm like, fuck it, got a decent hand, all fucking in. I'll be out of my misery. I'm gonna double my money, and I'm already gonna be happy.
Same.
Like that's me on poker.
I have the same problem. After like an hour of poker, that's it. I'm all in. I'm ready to reload. I'm all in. 7 dudes. I'm doing crazy shit.
You're all in 7 dudes.
Jay Hooligan's wife plays
Did I hear that
poker
right?
too, but not with cards. Okay. Guys, have some respect. That's Jay Hooligan's wife. Married her.
Respect.
You guys should have a poker night every week and stream it. That would be fun to watch. We had plans of doing that. I actually really like poker. I watch it every night. I don't get to play that much
Oh,
anymore.
he said 7 too. I heard 7 dudes.
7 dudes? Guys, I said
I heard you
7
say
dudes.
7 dudes.
7
I was
dudes.
like, did you just say 7 dudes? I'm like, you're all in 7 dudes. I'm like, whoa. That's literally what I heard.
Brother, I did not say that. We're 3-barring outside of orb here. It's
Oh,
very interesting if you want to short it.
man.
The next area is literally at 8:30, bro. If it's gonna dump all that way, I'll be astounded. Oh, I will literally be astounded.
SPX is surrounded by
If
levels.
Poker Nation invite Rips. Rips is all the way in Vegas. We can't invite a professional. He'll dust us.
Oh yeah, he'll kill us.
He'll dust us.
He's got too much bread for me.
I played with pros. It's different, bro. The boys will smoke your ass. Someone asked Jay Hooligan, what's keeping you with your wife? He said she buys me TBT accounts. I like that out of him. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If your wife is buying you accounts, you might just be able to let her cheat. Might be worth it. Might be worth it. We're popping here. My wife got me the Broly to stay profitable. Is that why you put a baby in her? Stupid question for TBT. Can I trade copy on TradingView? No, you cannot copy trade on TradingView, guys. You can YouTube on how to set up your copy trader. It's on Tradeovate. You cannot copy trade on TradingView. TradingView is not an execution platform. It's a charting platform. There's two differences. Lama, just for fun, say the Indian don't. Javi, can you speak with an Indian accent or not?
Okay, hold on. I always tell my wife I have to warm up with hello, welcome. My name is Abdul Bagidi. This is Microsoft. Would you we heard that your computer has got a virus. We can help you with that. We need you to send a gift card. Something like that, right? That's how I warm up.
Javi, it's Monday, bro. You cannot be that racist on Monday. So we've literally banned.
But those they call me all the time. That's literally all I'm doing is repeating what I
harsh
hear.
racism on Mondays, and you're just gonna go right straight for it.
Hello, this is
It's
Amazon.
a Monday, and you went straight for the hard racism and called yourself Abdul.
Yeah. Oh no, actually, you know what? They go, hello, this is Jason Freeman. My name is Matt McConaughey.
Yo,
That's
they
actually
do
their real
call
name.
themselves like Michael, and I'm like, brother, you know your name's not Michael.
Hello, my name is Michael Johnson.
Right.
It's always 2 first names. Have you noticed? It's always 2 first names. Their names are always Chris Thompson, Chris Tom, Tom Chris, Jason Fred, Fred Jason, Chris Fred.
I wasted. Where the fuck is Logan? If you can't find Logan, text your wife. She's probably busy. So if you can never find Logan, make sure you know where your wife is, or your dad. One or the other.
Mainly your dad.
You gotta remember, Jay Hooligan is of melanated descent, so you can't just bring up his dad like that.
Remember Logan's famous words. He will skull.
I'm along. If I blow an account, can I get another? No, but go ahead and long it, brother. Go ahead and long it. Remember code BDM. Remember. You just use code BDM right there, brother.
Code BDM.
Go long.
This 46 is holding on for dear life. Like that 46 goes, then we have room down. But for now, it keeps testing that area. It keeps bouncing off of it. I'm not gonna say I haven't been scalping a couple times because I have, but this is very berry, so still being cautious.
Very berry. Honestly, I'm gonna leave with my winning $975.50 and call it a day. Honestly, or what do you guys think? Could I full port?
There goes, baby.
Full port, no leave, full port. All right. Chat is full of degens. They have requested a full port. What do we do? Let's get in 25 micros at a time. Scale into 50, scale into 75.
Here is kind of dangerous, but
double click it right here. Do we get a pop? Oh, we do get a pop. Do we just take the part? Do we just take the profits there? Instantly see $500 profit.
I took that shit on 2 accounts.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take the profit there. It only gave me $380. I was looking at 6. That's a joke. I'm gonna wait till 9:30. It's 10:15. You're late.
Yeah,
You're
you're late
late.
as fuck.
You are
You
late.
missed all the action, all the fun.
Yeah. Today might be the day I trade Asia. Well, if you're gonna trade Asia, feel free to tap into the happy hour starting at 6 p.m. with Coach Pay to Play and Priscilla E Money.
I wanted that one no good.
There's an orb tab with a wick and a flip ski. And low key, that was a re-entry rate. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. If you're gonna take a scalp.
All right.
Lama, what was your position size for today? 10 micros. 10 micros. And then when I realized how thick the candles were, I had to go down to 5.
These are my morning accounts. These are the only 5 accounts I've traded this morning.
392, 938, 336, 1800, 33. My boys killing the game. Scared money don't make no money. Brother, we already made money. That's the thing. Greedy money don't make no money.
My runner running.
If you've made Breacherson, no need to traderson anymore, ski. You feels me? Or Noski. Also, everything on the 1002 candle. Oh, this joint, bro, this fucking candle was devious. 60 points thick, right on the ouchie wawa caramba.
The ouchie wawa.
Yo, I seen a video, Avi, of someone's abuelita making pupusas right outside of her crib in Boynton Beach.
In Boynton
And they
Beach.
look insane. Like I'm talking about, they look insane. Let me find it for you. I'm gonna find it for you,
dude.
send it to you. You gotta test it out, see if it's better than the ones on my crib. Because Boynton Beach is right next to you.
I have to wait till like I have a cheat day because pupusas are not fucking keto friendly, man.
Oh my god, shut up, bro.
I'm doing
Cheat day.
keto.
You're on
Yeah, like
keto?
so when I did keto
Pupusas are
before,
low-key
I
not
would
that
have
bad
cheat
for you.
days. What happened?
Pupusas are low-key not that bad for you, bro.
Yeah, they're not calorie wise because it's corn. It's corn. The masa is corn, so it's not like flour. But when I did keto, I would hit a plateau. When I hit a plateau, I would have a cheat weekend. It would take me out right back into keto, and it would just continue the wave down. So I am in ketosis. I got that little blood tester thingy. So
You're in
I'm in
ketosis
ketosis.
already?
Yep, I went through the keto flu. Like I feel really good right now. I just worked out, got my water. I actually feel pretty damn good right now. That keto flu last week fucking sucked. My wife had to deal with me with 3 days of attitude and being a little bitch. Almost like I had a period. So
Have a
she survived.
period?
So, yeah. When I have sick days, it's like what? Come on, man. When guys get sick, it's like we have our periods when we get sick. Right?
You're older though. Do you get menopause?
Midlife crisis is what we call it, right? Menopause for men. Midlife crisis.
Oh,
I think I already went through it. I think I went through it like.
I think I had midlife
When I was
crisis
in
last,
Hagerstown.
like a couple months ago. Or maybe I'm just retarded. One or the other.
Man, you're young, man. You're still what, 28? Midlife is 40.
I think I just turned 29.
I'm like thinking this is like stupid. No, I think we think about this, right? I'm like, damn, I'm already more than halfway potentially past my life.
Bro, where is this fucking grandma with the pupusas, bro? I need to find this shit.
Yeah. Where's Pupusa Granny?
Bro, I'm telling you, it's just someone's abuelita just putting in paint on some fucking pupusas and they look wicked. Like I was about to make that drive. It's like an hour and a half.
Like me when I watch Pupusa ladies, I have to see the hand motion, right? They gotta do
Hand motion?
and then they gotta do this. That's how you know they're experts, right?
Wait,
They gotta do the
wait. What'd you do? Let me see. What'd you
do? So they do the, and then they do the little like they're playing a flute. It's almost like they're playing a flute, but that's how they spin the tortilla. They'll spin it like this to get it into shape, and then they'll do this, and then they'll spin it like that. Like that's the art. If they don't do that, I'm like, nah. Yeah, you're not real. You're not a real pupusa lady. They got to do that, right? You Salvadorians, you know what I'm talking about, right? You can do it then.
I got no idea what you're talking about. It looked like you were trying to scratch your balls.
No, that's twist. You twist the balls.
You're hitting one of
You
these.
fiddle. You fiddle the pupusas. You fiddle them. Like,
Brother, I'm trying to find this video of the pupusas, and all I see is fucking fishing videos. That's how you know my friends are fucking nerds, bro. Like, since when did the group chat turn into straight fishing? I haven't even seen cheeks in this shit. Bro, I'm about to just look it up, bro. Bet you I find it in seconds.
Are not trash.
Boynton Beach pupusa granny. Search. I found it in seconds. I found it. First video. That's crazy.
Let's see this granny. Let's see this granny.
No, I'm gonna send it to you. Someone's Abuelita is putting in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just put it in the chat. Aniki, do what you do over here.
Yeah. Let's see. I want to see it.
This shit is, bro. This shit is major pain. Like I'm talking about, bro. They look kind of wicked. You know, I fuck with some pupusas, been that motherfucker. Y'all giving me goals of what not to when I grow up. I'm 22, brother. First thing you should do is learn English. Making me feel like I can't fucking read, and I already struggle with that shit. Aniki, drop this video. And fucking Orb is still holding for another 30-point bounce. God damn it.
¿Qué horas en Hawaii? No sé, Molombe. Otra vez, Molombe, otra vez con las pupusas con piña. What the heck, dude? He's like, pupusas con piña, pineapple pupusas. I mean, it might be good, though. Well, no, I don't know. I haven't tried it.
Did Javi just speak Espanoli? Lama, how was your trading day? Let's see your results.
Oh, no, wait. I'm sorry.
I swung a position last night for 150 points and made 1,400 times 15 accounts, and then I closed my other accounts today up 970 each.
It's 5 minutes loading.
Do you trade intraday trailing? If I have to. Look at them pupusas. Look at that. Oh, look at that cheese pull. Oh, look at that cheese pull.
Oh, there it is.
Aniki pull. Oh.
Is that gay singer guy eating at? What's his name? He sings that dirty girl. You made a anything a man like me.
That's Mike. That's Mike from Boca. He goes to all types of places around here. Look at that. Hold on. Aniki, run it back. Run it back. Aniki, run it back. Oh, look at that pull. Look. There's the movement you were talking about.
Looked good. Okay, yeah. She almost looked like my mom. She probably been banging pupusas.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh,
there it is. There's the okay, yeah. Okay, now. There's the nib. Okay, take off the nib. Damn it. Okay, there's the nib. Okay, and then oh, she didn't show that. She didn't do that.
She's kind of putting in pain though, right? Damn, this bitch exploded from Orb, bro. A whole fucking 60-point move. God damn it. And I'm out here not in it looking at pupusas, bro, with a full-on erection.
Got the little nibs. There's that 5-minute push. And
I'm in long from 962. Take a partial here. This is a fib level. I have this at 30 that's been rejecting the whole time. If you break this, you can finally catch the move to midline. But god damn, this bitch pulled me out. Low key, this could even go up to 200. It has room for a crazy move.
It does. It does have room for a
crazy
move.
Close out my fucking PAs, not touch those. If we're gonna touch anything, it's gonna be evos. Have you ever heard someone say,
only after eating a good pupusa?
Do you have mods in the chat? Let me get a one if you're a mod in the chat.
Yeah. Or when my wife scratches my back.
There's Owen. Okay. Can we run givvies on YouTube or what?
Who's that? Who the hell's that white lady, Chris?
Yes. Okay. Who was it
trying to get my balls chopped off?
Was it Owen? No, it wasn't Owen. JV Trades? There it is. Giveaway. Boom, boom, exclamation, keyword. All right. We're going to do a quick givey on the YouTube, guys. Make your way to the... Matter of fact, hold on. How many likes do we have on YouTube? 100 likes, guys. Get us to 350 likes right now within seconds, and we're going to run giveaways back to back. What better, pupusas or halea? Pupusas are better than halea, 100%. Got 2 Tradeifys. Perfect. Let's get to 300 likes, and we're going to do 2 Tradeify giveaways. 30 just rejected. The 2930 rejected for 40 points, guys. Make sure to pay yourself. That was a strong area, also lined up with ES midline. Make sure to pay yourself every time you take the trades. Get us to 300 likes, guys, so we can start these givvies. If you have a full-on erection and you're on the YouTube, let's get a lucky number 69 in the chat. You should check out this guy and practice his accent. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Hey.
Practicing accents is racist. I don't do those things. I'm a man of the people.
So like even like an English accent, bloody hell.
That's racist.
Crumpets and tea.
Crumpets and tea is hella racist.
Mr. Potter. Lingardium Leviosa.
That's Harry Potter. Guys, we're at 230 likes. Speed it the fuck up, guys. We're gonna run givvies. Get onto the tube. I nearly got fired from a job because I kept doing a Spanish accent. All right, Aniki, unmute the microphone. Let me hear your Spanish accent right now.
I want to hear that too now. What the
Aniki,
hell?
unmute your microphone right now. Let me hear the Spanish accent.
I want to hear it.
Aniki, unmute the microphone. I need to hear this Spanish accent right now.
Yep. Yep, I want to hear it too. Come on, Aniki. Do it. Do it.
Lama doesn't know what Spanish is. Brother, I speak mucho español.
Yep.
Don't disrespect me. Don't disrespect me like that. Right back down the orb. I got written up because I started calling people cunts after watching Peaky Blinders. They don't even say cunts like that.
No, they don't. They don't really say it like that.
My Spanish,
Okay.
yes, I'm Spanish.
Okay, can you hear me? Oi.
Oh, there we go.
Where's that? Oh, hold on. I got Aniki's volume all the way down. All right, Aniki.
Volume up, yeah.
Okay. Hey, I say, how's it going, huh? It's been a while.
Yeah, this guy. You said you almost got fired from your other job for doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just got fired from this job, fucking dumbass. Fucking GG.
Look, hey. I grew up in downtown Los Angeles. I was the only white kid in my high school, Lama. Out of
My kids love saying that. Is this why you say the N-word?
Out of 4,000 in downtown LA, okay? Like when I went, and it was also like the most ghetto high school. So like whenever anyone would graduate, they would say they're going to Echo Park College, which is not a real thing. It just means you're gonna go to the streets.
All right, let me hear it again.
Okay. Hey, I say, what you think you're doing, huh? Don't
My name's Jim.
early for this.
Dude, I like how he does the raspy voice though. He goes, hey.
Or like what would they yell? They would like yell like culeto whenever anyone would do something stupid in the fucking the quads in high school. They would just like if someone fell or if someone like
no mames, güey.
Got tripped up by a girl or something.
My boy went instantly with the Mexican accent. And I have a question for you. Do you know there's more Spanish countries than just Mexico?
I thought all of South America was Mexico.
You're right. You're not lying. That is a fact.
Not lying.
That is a fact. Even though I think Mexico is in Central America.
Yeah. I think there might be a part down there for Brazil. I know Brazil's big. I just don't know.
That's South America.
Yeah. Matter of fact, isn't Mexico in North America? Like, isn't it America? Isn't it United States, Canada, and Mexico?
I think so. Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah,
I can't be the smartest guy in the room.
Oh, there's a state in Mexico called Brazil.
What?
Yeah. Someone just said that, I think, because we're mentioning Brazil.
Oh man. I want to go to Mexico. I haven't been. I'm so close to the
Be
border.
careful.
I've never gone.
Just go to the touristy areas. That's what they all say. My brother's wife is Mexican, and even they just go to the touristy areas. It's dangerous. Outside of
All
touristy
right.
areas.
Are we at 300 likes yet on fucking YouTube? Or are you guys on some bullshit? 270 likes, guys. Get to 300 if you want these fucking giveaways. Stop fucking trolling. We got accounts to give away. Do you want accounts? Yes or no? Do you want Aniki to keep doing a fucking Mexican accent? Yes or no? Aniki, what other accents can you do? There's no way you only do Mexican. You had to have practiced
what's other ones?
Japanese since you love busty Asians.
Okay. So with the Japanese accent, this is gonna sound really fucked up, but when you act, when you when you talk with like a Japanese accent, and you're like trying to like, oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna be honest. When I was in Japan, that actually works because that's how they name everything over there. They just take the English word, like you want ice cream, it's ice creameru. Like you just say that and they just understand. But if you say ice cream, they don't understand.
Oh, yes,
your dialect. So you have to like Japanese it up. You have to make it super Asian, and they'll understand you.
Give me some of that broccoli. You always have to go to at the end, right? I hear it. They're like, yeah. Ooh, it's so delicious. Oh,
Lama-san.
Yeah, Lama-san.
Oh, you got the Nikatanas.
Look at those big titties.
Aniki, do me a favor. Go back on mute. Your job's on the fucking line here. Javi, focus up. It's Monday. No more racism. Jesus Christ. Or bounced again. Finally broke the 30, guys. Are we at fucking 300 yet?
34. It needs to hold over 34.
310. Bang. All right. Giveaway word is gonna be papusa. Is that how you spell it? Don't know. On the YouTube, guys, papusa is a word. Would you guys believe that a black lady was saying I was misspelling barbacoa when I'm from the damn country that it was invented in? Maybe she goes to Chipotle a lot. Who knows?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, exactly. Oh,
what are your top picks for firms that do daily payouts? They're all pretty good. TBT is good. Midgard's good. Tradeify is good. Lucid came out with a new one. Haven't tried that one yet. I think everything does daily payouts at this point.
Look at that break of 34 and the retest.
There goes the break. Yeah, it's actually interesting. I might just fucking spam the button here real quick a few times, get in like 100 micros, see if we can just rip or not. And my account's popped. All right. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This is one point drawdown. Usually do daily or 5 days. I'll go daily on the accounts on the firms that offer daily, and then I'll go 5 days on the ones that.
Look at what they spelled it. Papusa. They almost spelled it they almost spelled it.
I think they copied how I put it. Oh, my bad. It's my fault, twin. There goes midline of this gap. It needs to rip this. If not, we're gonna get hesitation and a pullback. There's the perfect tap of it. I'd have to give myself. Ooh, I got him. I'm gonna just full close that. There's an extra $1,000, and see if we can do. What do you think about the Nasdaq being open for 23 hours a day starting in December? I really don't care. It's already open 23 hours a day for futures. So I don't care what they're gonna do.
Read Lama about that? Oh yeah, that is. There's gonna be some volume that will hopefully kick in with futures on that, which will be freaking awesome because now Asia might be actually consistently good volume. Hopefully.
Which ones are one-time fee versus subscription? They're all a subscription-based model until you pass the account, then they're not subscription anymore. Bro, go open a support ticket. You are the winner.
Oh my gosh! Did anybody catch that break and retest of 34? Quantum Gang. You know what? Hopefully you guys knew what I was looking at here. That break and retest.
Just you know what I realized? Who are half of these people in this cartoon picture of all the staff?
Let me see. I mean, I instantly recognize what the hell happened to Doc's body. It morphed into the car. He's a transformer. Okay.
They had to show the car.
I recognize a couple people. Let's see, Burgundy. I think some of these are some of the some of these I don't recognize. There's the two Asians that used to be. Some of these are no longer with us.
My condolences.
Yep, Sam. Yeah, I mean they're still alive, no longer with the LT team. Obviously, we know who the one wearing the Porsche is.
Oh shit!
There's twins right next to each other. They make match skinny. What? What's up?
We actually got a pay to play though.
Oh, let me see.
Look at this. This is a very interesting pay to play though.
Okay.
Very
Esa
interesting
con
pay
los
to play though.
huevitos.
Look what we got here. We have
Wait,
an arepa
¿cómo estás?
with
Oh, arepa.
cheese. We got look, let's get a poke on them. Oh, fuck. And then you know what this red shit is?
There's
Look at
80.
this. Bro,
Ooh.
that is from the Mike's. I ended up going to Mike's, Jersey Mike's, and I bought their fucking red relish shit because it was good. And she threw it on the plate. This is a very interesting pay to plate though.
Okay,
And the
let's do
market's
it.
currently fucking exploding. Why did I close that trade? I'm a bitch.
I caught some of that.
I already
My
catch some of these nuts.
Oh, I
All
just
right.
got trouble.
Let's get a pay to play though going ASAP no Rockysito. Pay to play
Aquí
though.
estamos otra vez. Bienvenidos a Pay to Plate 2026. Edición 2016. Pero aquí estamos
All
con
right, check
Lama
this out.
Lama Rojo Pajama. Vamos con la arepita. Ahí tiene la repa. Qué rico se ve eso. La repa con el huevito. El huevito bien crispy ahí con el... Era un jam o algo, no sé. Lo rojo y bien rico. Ahí está Lama con la boca listo para el galletazo que va a tomar ahí. Un hombre con hambre listo para dar la mejor jugada de todas las jugadas que vienen. ¡Ahí va! ¡Gol! ¡Campeón, campeón, campeón! ¡Ya lo sabe! ¡Nunca hay duda! Don't, bro. You keep losing weight, bro. You keep looking more fit. That ran out of breath right there.
Holy shit.
My bro. I'm gonna get to that, bro.
Wow. Market's currently exploding. We're about to approach midline here. We are approaching the midline here.
Oh, what a freaking long right there. That 34 break and retest was crispy. That was so crispy. That was an insane long, if anybody caught that.
We're currently approaching midline here. Bottom orb really kept holding. I told you, it's very on a day where orb is this fucking big. It's very hard to just break out and continue without doing a very hard. And bottom side orb just kept holding.
All right, I added a little bit to this, and I even traded a third account on this one. Bada bing, bada boom. So now I am pretty good for now. Let's see. That was a beautiful long. Woo! Hell yeah.
Wow. I'm not gonna lie, that little fucking relish shit from fucking Jersey Mike's is wicked work. That shit is delicioso.
That's a good problem to have, Rogue. Just lose some more money on it.
That shit is what you call orgasmic gameplay.
Shotgun mic would be ideal for his set. What's a shotgun mic? Sounds dangerous.
Wow. What a bite that was. That bite was fucking nuts.
The long, skinny mic.
That relish from Jersey Mike's is traditional Italian pepper relish. It's on sale in most supermarkets. Oh my god, but it doesn't say Jersey Mike's on it. So it doesn't taste as good if it doesn't say El Jersey Michael. El Michael the Jersey. Duh.
Oh, you should be fine, Rogue. Oh wait, depends on the consistency, but usually 25 Ks you can make up to 750. If it's 50%, if it's 40%, like 550, I think. So it depends on what account type or what prop. Yeah, if it's 50, you're good. If it's 40, there you go. Yeah, 600. Okay. So just lose a little bit. Just get in with one micro rogue. Get in, right? Get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out.
What is she struggling with?
She made a little too much money.
Hey, just lose.
Yeah, just lose a little bit.
Easy.
One micro at a time.
You go to gold. Here's how I do it. You go to gold. You just open and close positions, and then the slippage and the commissions on the contract is what make you lose them. You just open and close. Don't try to lose. Just open and close, and the commissions will take you out.
Rejecting Shoshi box right now. Midline is at what? What's the midline at? It's at
No, don't trade gold. Just open and close positions on gold. You see, you're not listening.
Yeah.
You're not listening, Sean Nicole. You're not listening. Don't trade gold. Open and close the position.
Open, close.
And
Open.
the commission is what's going to make you lose the money. The commission.
Yep. There are times where I've like when I have fun on evals and I'm trying to pass quick, and I do that and I get over. I just go in with like 5 micros and just hit reverse a bunch of times, get really close, then drop it down as I get closer, and just hit reverse, reverse, reverse. Just hitting reverse a bunch of times eats up the commission too on MNQ.
Yeah, because you're placing trades, you're executing.
Yeah.
So that shit, it eats at your P&L.
Let's go smooth.
The problem with that is the problem that people have with losing money to get into consistency is that they're trying to actually take a loss on the trade. You're supposed to just open and close, and the commission just eats at your shit.
Yep. It's funny. I thought a lot of people already knew
midline type. Jesus Christ, right to midline.
It's looking pretty fully right
it's
now.
almost like I said, guys, make sure to stick a little boop boop in your ouchie.
Let's see, what other areas do we have to test?
Midline rejection.
If we break through midline, and then we have
pretty hard here. I'm gonna pay myself there. Exit, bang. All right, we went from 900 on the day to 3,700. Do I go for 50% on day one? Nah, right? Don't need to do 50%. I have 4 more days, like, right? Like I could just not not try to tweak out.
Yep. You got 4 more days.
I got 4 more days. Let me just not try to tweak out. How's that one?
Yep. Not worth tweaking out, man. 50%.
I'm rejection was so clean. Fucking jumped in with 75 micros.
Shit. That power hour I jumped in with 60. I was like freaking panicking so bad.
No, I just click it there. It makes sense.
There you go. Good job, bro. You did it. You
Mm.
did. You did it.
All right, back to YouTube. Another giveaway.
All right. Next word for YouTube.
On the YouTube, guys. I'll give you guys about 4 to 5 seconds to get up in there. Let me take this real quick bite though.
I know Molon. I'm a Yosabo. Okay. Oh, you said pupusa, now do arepa. Do
You're doing
arepa
it?
con queso, arepa. Yeah, do the word for YouTube, arepa.
I bet. What am I eating? Arepa, 2 fried eggs, and that Jersey Mike's sweet relish. Little fried egg with the arepa, and you just stick it in your chihuahua, and that fucking midline tank for fucking 40 points. Jesus Christ.
You stick it in your auntie's wawa?
If they're in the short,
fucking
they're in the short, I bitch just ran at 50 points. You gotta take a partial because ES just hit midline. We need ES to lose midline here. But we want to take the scalp, pay yourself, and see if it can continue downwards. Is the giveaway working on YouTube? Yes, it's currently running. Giveaway is currently running on YouTube, guys. Make sure to jump up in there. Make sure to jump up in there. Make sure to jump up in there. Oh, Javi, you wear hats or you only wear buckets?
Only bucket hats. Bucket hats and beanies. That's
I
it.
don't wear hats, but look at
Mayonnaise. YouTube didn't say how to spell it. Arepa.
we got the new
Oh, that looks
pay to play
sick.
hats with the pink brim with the patience pays on the side.
Yeah, dude, that is sick.
Officially live on pay2playshop.com.
Dude, that looks freaking awesome. That is sick. I like how the patience pays is like a signature.
I'm gonna punch my wife in the face. No demands.
Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace.
The hats are officially live right now. Pay2playshop.com. See you there. See you there.
YouTube bot did not fire off.
Bang. See you there. YouTube bot didn't fire up. Oh,
Who says
Javi, I got it. Let me run it.
bro?
Do it away.
I
Do it
messed up.
Give everyone another chance.
All right, everyone
Bang.
gets another chance right here. Holy shit, my thing just took off. I'm still trading because I'm a degen.
So trading Javiski? Yes, it
Yeah.
looks like it's finally gonna lose midline here. As long as he doesn't break over midline, ES finally breaks under, you could see this full move all the way back down. Potential still target for 800 level. The orb is huge. Yes, it is. Orb is big, but I made a video on this where I mentioned if your orb is bigger than fucking 160 points, you can expect some type of reversals and not an actual breakout. So that's why I literally only long today at the bottom of orb. It's the only thing I tried to do. Lama immediately looks 18 when he puts this hat on. Yeah, that's good going.
It's because he
I'm
put it
laying
on
in bed wearing these shorts, comfy as shit. Athena. Do not tell us what you're wearing. There's a lot of guys looking for busties in this chat. There's a line and you're crossing it. You have to be professional.
It says heavyweight loose fit. Heavyweight. Properly mark.
And it's crazy how Anarchy has that picture of Athena just saved like that. Like of all people, Anarchy. I'm full already. I can't eat this shit. Forgot I don't eat that this time. Wow. Okay. Hats are
yeah.
live. Who's the first one that's gonna grab one? Let's see. I got my bare ass on this office chair after farting all night. I def might leave a permanent smell in the cushion.
You definitely left the smell and probably some skid marks. Yuck.
Wow.
That thing should be thrown and incinerated.
Wow.
If you're bare ass farting, there's gonna be some skid.
He's got bare ass on the cushion. That is devious work. Who's best dressed MOT host? Not even a question. It's not even a real question.
I dress like a hobo. Like I straight up dress like a poor man. I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't care.
Check for loose hairs. Yuck. I can guarantee you have to have at least some hairs on the chair. 100%. Is the bot firing off or what? The giveaway bot, is it working or no? I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet either. Oh, it said winner close.
Whose signature
Winner
is on that? It's not a signature. It says patience pays. Patience
The
pays.
winner was chosen. Dante Joseph 7553. That is the winner. Dante Joseph 7553.
Back to midline. ES still looking like it's finally gonna break midline here. This is the divergence of a lifetime right now that's interesting to play. Short NQ's midline, seeing if ES breaks back under midline, and then we catch a full down move. Owen B copped it. There's my boy. First one in the chat. Bang. There we go. The hats are flying. Limited hats. I didn't really get that many. I got some pretty interesting shit coming out.
I need to get some bucket hats out. People keep asking me for these things.
Buckets are. I like buckets. I have a big ass head. I don't really wear hats, but I like buckets more than anything.
I have a big ass head too.
God
this
damn,
is
that shit's shining, bro.
XL, yeah.
Top of your head. EU delivery, yes, delivers to EU as well.
This is the only bucket hat that fits comfy. Like every other bucket hat I've ever tried, it's always kind of tight and I have to stretch it out. This one's zero stretching. That's racist, Zany.
Boy, hobby, bro. The hobby pitch you play never fails, bro. Delivers to Broward County 1800 block. I will personally drive to 1800 block and drop it off.
I just messing with these 80.
Do you agree with Max that we P2Pers are the Hialeah guys? I can confirm something about the P2P community is a little ghetto. I don't know what it is. I don't know why. Can you personally deliver to my house and I pay you with a hot syrup massage? Does it come with happy ending? Yes or no? ES finally breaking midline here. We got to see if we catch this full move down. Do you deliver to Hooters? I was at Hooters yesterday, Greg. Funny enough. I was at Hooters yesterday right next to your house.
There's still Hooters here?
Of course. What do you mean? You can't just get rid of bitches giving out wings with tits out.
They closed them up all in Maryland because of some dude that left super duper drunk and got into an accident that killed like 2 people. He sued them because they were supposed to, they were supposed to stop him from leaving because he was so intoxicated and prevent him from driving a car. The whole thing was and they closed like all of them down. There was one in Baltimore, there was one in Rockville. They closed all of them down. Me and my friend used to love going there back in the day. I have to be careful because I'm a married man now. I know my wife's gonna be like, "So you like to go to those places?" Just like when we talked about the strip club. When I talked about there she is. She was talking about the strip club. She was like, "Oh, you like to go to the places, huh? Yeah, huh?" I'm like,
actually, I'm wearing the shorts.
Oh yeah, you're wearing shorts.
Oh shit! Hit my head on the fucking fan. Ow! God damn it! Hit my head on the fan.
You almost gave yourself a haircut.
So did the bot never fired off? The giveaway bot?
The winner was it did. The winner was Joseph something.
Oh, perfect. Open his port tickets.
Dante Joseph. Dante Joseph 753. Open up the board ticket. Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to go to strip clubs with Logan, he'll take you to gay one. Your wife left a nice statement.
Yeah, she did throw that little zinger in there where she's like, if Logan ever wants to take you out, you can go with him because I know he'll just take you to the gay club. I was like, damn. I was like, shit. She had no home bar there. So I was like, she's like, I can go with Logan anywhere because he'll just take me to the gay clubs. I was like, I don't know how I felt about that. She had a zinger in there. I was like, shit. Oh man.
Poor guy. And then tell you how it was in Iraq. Oh shit. Oh shit. That is funny. Man, people say 90s were the shit. God damn, y'all old. I was born in the late 90s, bro. I don't know shit about what happened over there. All I know, there was some bald guy running the NBA who sucked. That's all I know.
Dude, dude. I've never been into basketball. Like, never been into basketball. I like watching tournaments. So when the tournament, soccer, basketball, right, any of the NCAA tournaments happen, that's where I'm interested. But like, all I know about Jordan is he's on the fucking shoes and the pants, right? That's it. I don't know how he played. Everyone says he's the GOAT, right? All I know about LeBron is he's got a beard and he's big. I don't know how he plays. I'm
You
not
don't
into
even
the
watch
basketball
basketball?
like that. I only watch the tournaments. Like I only like soccer is the same way. I'm a Messi fan. I do love watching Messi play, but other than that, I don't really watch soccer unless it's the tournaments. Unless it's like there's something on the line. That's it. Like I'm not interested in it. Football's my only thing. Like I'm a freaking football nerd. That's it. Washington Redskins all the way. That's it. Everything else, hockey the same way. Hockey is the same thing, right? I do like watching the Capitals when they had that run, and then that was it. But hockey is. I do want to go to a live hockey game because I went
I'm
to
not
a
gonna lie,
college
hockey was
hockey
fun
game.
as fuck to watch.
Yeah,
Like in
hockey's
person.
intense. Like in person, yeah, because those guys are going whoosh, whoosh, like and they're fast as fuck, dude. And shit, that's not. Yeah, those professionals got. I watched it in college. I didn't watch professional game. College was just insane to see it in person. I can only imagine what professional is like.
Well, we're good. Well, we were good. I don't know if we still are, but the Panthers, that's your name? Panthers, yeah, they were pretty good.
Yeah, Panthers, right? Yeah, we've driven. Yeah, that stadium is right across from that mall, right? What's that mall called?
Sawgrass.
Yeah, Sawgrass. Yeah, Sawgrass.
Man, oh man. Oh shit.
They're
Oh
always gonna be
shit.
the Redskins to me. Always. Yeah, it's holding Saucebox now. Looks like we're gonna make a push to. If it can break Saucebox midline, then there's gonna be a continuation. But it's failing to break back below it. It's kind of trapped right now, honestly. The Mighty Ducks. I remember the Mighty Ducks. Is that the Mighty Ducks? No, that's not the Mighty Ducks, is it? That was like one
Mighty
of my
Ducks?
favorite.
Isn't that a movie?
Yeah, that was one of my favorite movies. Mighty Ducks, The Little Giants, The Little Rascals, like those, like that little era of movies were freaking awesome.
Yeah, it's like your era, right? Oh
Yeah.
shit. I just realized I hit 10K subs on YouTube today. That's crazy.
Oh shit, keep breaking down.
What's the difference? Category t-shirt 1 and t-shirt 2? I got no idea, twin. Click
What's
on them, see what it says.
a little? Why does that look like a mugshot of Coach?
It is a mugshot.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no way.
Yeah. That's the free coach shirt. That's the free coach free.
Wait, what did he do to go to jail? Unspeakables.
Can't talk about it. Be black. Right. Solid answer.
We don't ask that. I mean, as somebody who's been in jail, not that long, right? Sometimes you ask each other, so what you going for? Mine was stupid. I didn't go in for anything. I
The
went
difference
for
between shirt 1 and shirt 2 is the colors.
no, not unpaid. I didn't go to court for a ticket. Stupid.
What's Coach's real name? Coach Tavius. Coach Tavius Jones.
Dr. Coach Tavius.
He robbed a candy store like a naughty Oompa Loompa. Let's get a band going on caviar.
No, it's Jaquarius. Jacarius, DeMarcus, Laquan. Like yeah, this is gonna be like, nah, should I? Yeah, I think I should. Should I? I don't know. I mean, we were on the
My boy's
racial
name is
thing.
Corsavius Johnson.
My wife hates it when I when me and my friend and we like, you know, when there's women with attitude, okay? So you have the Marias, the Spanish ladies, right? You have the Karens, okay, Karens, the white ladies, and then you have the Shaniquas. The Shaniquas are the dark ones, right? And then when there's a half breed, we call her Shaniqua Connor.
You call him what?
Shaniqua Connor.
Did you say half breed?
Yeah, the half breeds.
I'm not
Like
gonna lie,
Harry
you
Potter.
on one today, twin.
The half breeds.
You're on one today. You are on one today. Midline
Oh,
rejecting. Yes, it's finally got a print through midline. Want to see if this fucking rips now to the south side.
This is me in the morning, y'all. I'm in the morning.
His explanation of their race was the most racist part. Right. Gotta be. He's on some shit
We
today.
all know, though. It's not like we all know. We all like the Marias, right? Karens. We all know, right? If it's a Karen, you all know immediately. Right? Maria, you all know immediately. Okay, Shaniqua, you should all know immediately, right? But then you got the half breed, Shaniqua Connor. The Mudbloods.
The mudblood? Did you say it?
Yeah, somebody said they should just be called the Mudbloods.
Wow.
Freaking
Wow.
Harry Potter getting thrown in the hat.
Bro, it's a Monday, twin. It's a Monday. You can't be saying this type of shit on a Monday.
It's just the week's just beginning. Oh, all right.
Like it's
Time to get
literally
canceled.
Monday, bruh. Market's currently fucking rejecting midline. There goes 50 official. Clean break under midline on ES. We should see a full flush. It's just now got to fight this level. Once it breaks through this orange box, which you could see at least this midline tap at 55, is where I would take partials. And if it can break through, then you could see this potential move to 800. Someone call me. Wow. This girl's name is Shaniqua. Of course, she's a pay to player. I'm not even.
Oh, wait, for real? We have a Shaniqua? No way.
We have a Shaniqua in the chat. Happened to be a pay to player and don't know what it is about it.
Oh man. Well, there you go. There we have it.
Lama, can you level up a broke boy to a full-time trader in 3 months? No. No.
I haven't really eaten Cuban food. I think the only Cuban food I've had.
You ever had Cuban food?
No, I don't think I have.
Wow.
Because mofongo is
Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican. Yeah, so I've had that. I'm not a fan of that. What did I have? My wife says I did, but I don't remember.
You ever had African food? I haven't had that.
I freaking love jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken is
so
Jamaican,
good.
brother.
And
That
the
is not
Jamaican
African.
patties. Oh, okay, sorry. I thought it just meant. Okay, so what's an African food then? I didn't know.
Shit.
I haven't had.
I love Jamaican beef patties, bro. Jamaican beef, twin. It's not African beef patties, bro. You on some shit today, bro? Like,
I mean, hey, like, you know what? Like, we no matter where we're from, right? Everyone thinks like Salvadorians do tacos. We do tacos.
We're all from Africa. Nah. Yo.
Oh man. Oh shit. All right, what?
Here's 55, guys. Take a partial here. Take a partial at this 55. It's
seen-
lining up with an order block over here on ES. Pay yourself.
But there's a bunch of.
That boy said, I love jerk
here.
chicken. Fuck. God damn it. Yo. Bro, you're on some shit today. Javi, what's wrong with you?
Olive rice fufu.
Pay
My
myself.
brain's
Make sure to
off.
pay yourself here, guys. You want to see a full bleed if it's gonna go.
Oh yeah,
Got a
do it,
full
dog.
bleed here. You can't expect some type of pullback, but it's better because this pullback can go up to here. It's better to partial than give back 20 points. But if it breaks this, remember it can potentially go 800. You don't need to be heavy on a trade that could go.
Yeah, this is a beautiful dump actually.
You don't need to be heavy on a
Sure.
trade like that. There's the full breakthrough it.
Yeah, I've never had African food then.
No, I've never had African food either. I've been scared to try it. You know, African food, you know the funny part about it? I don't know if it's racist or not, but let's just bring it up.
Okay.
I don't know why they don't eat with forks. You know what I'm saying? Like they eat bare hands. And I'm like, why do you eat with your hands if you're in America? I thought it's because they don't have spoons and shit in Africa. I don't know. Because it's like, you know, sushi, you're supposed to eat it with chopsticks. I get it. It's a culture thing. But you can still eat it with a fork. Why would I eat a soup with my hand? It's a soup. It's essentially a soup.
Oh, okay, a soup. Yeah, no, we
It's a
use it.
soup.
Yeah, because for us, right, it's kind of a cardinal sin to see, especially if you're Salvadorian, any Salvadorian eating with a pupusa with a fork and a knife.
Bro, it should be hot though, twin. You got to eat it with a fork and a knife. I'm in America.
No,
They probably don't got forks in El Salvador either.
Salvadorian, you eat it with your freaking hands. Okay, I get it. Whatever, right? But that's just us, right? When you go to a restaurant, and you're old school. They will look at you. They will look at you like, oh yeah, he's not
Bro, them
Salvadorian.
shits be hot as a bitch though, bro. You ever had a blazing hot pupusa? Shit burns your fucking hands. Let me show you what fufu looks like.
What's fufu look like? Okay, so
Let me
what was
show
the
you,
other
let me
thing?
show
Okay,
you.
so Lama, you're saying you're afraid of it, right? But are you
I'm not
afraid of
afraid of
eating
it. I just haven't had the desire to be like, let me go eat some fucking.
We're gonna go here. We're gonna keep going.
Some
Right?
goat or some
The
shit. Look
line's
at this.
the line's already been crossed. Lama, do you enjoy eating Chinese food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So there's a high chance you've eaten cat or horse or mice. You're not afraid of eating Chinese food. You should
Bro, we're
not
in
be afraid of
America. They can't do that here.
How do you know? They don't
Because
have
they
like
go to jail, bro.
if they get caught, dude, like straight up, if they get caught, right? There was a place in Maryland that was serving horse. That was a Chinese restaurant. That
Was it on the
serving
menu as horse or fucking chicken?
No, they called it like it was obviously called something else. But that's the point. That's the point. You don't know what you're actually eating, right? The government or the health department, they don't have cameras inside watching what animal we're bringing in. They don't. So if you're good, you know when they're coming. You already see them coming. You're like, shit, go hide the cat. Go hide the cat, right?
Dog, it's
we
Monday.
already crossed the line. We've already crossed the line. At this point, it's like whatever.
Fucking Monday, bro. And my boy just decides to be full on racist today on a Monday, bro. Like, bruh. Like,
Right?
bro.
What was it? The rumor of COVID came from a bat, like some lady ate a bat. That was the original rumor. You remember that?
They weren't in America though, twin. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's Monday, bro. Like, you can't be saying shit like this. It's Monday. What did I just tune into? God, and here goes Doc, bro. He's about to get us fired, bro. We can't be full on racist on a Monday. You have to wait till later in the week, bro. It's literally in our company policy. No strict racism on Mondays. This is Wednesday behavior.
All right, I'll have to call HR after this. I'll have to call HR and write a note and whatever. Okay. Freaking forgot it was Monday, but these are my Mondays. Mondays, I'm a little unhinged. Okay, week hasn't started. Got excited. Yeah.
My boy said they eat fucking cats and horses and shit. God damn it. How you know the boys don't like, how you call Jamaican beef patty African food? It's Jamaican beef patty.
I know, yeah, but that didn't come into my mind until after I said it. I was like, wait a minute.
First
You guys were
word.
like, yeah.
It was the first word, bro. Jamaican.
Whatever. They got the same color skin. Just like you go to Mexico, right? You have a taco. You go to
Jesus,
Salvador.
and then he's fucking
taco.
standing on business. Oh my god, guys, we're so cooked. We're about to get canceled here, bruh.
Right?
I can't.
Like, okay, what's another
I
food?
can't. I'm the one that's gonna get the blame for this.
Yeah, you are. That's probably why I'm doing it. This is a safe. This is a safe space.
You're the same color. Damn it! Jesus Christ!
This is a safe space where it's already 11:10. We can end it anytime now. Oh man. This was a
Javi,
banger show, guys.
do you have any final words to say here?
I have many things in my head, but I'm gonna keep quiet now. Oh man. Oh man.
What do you got to say here, Javi? Wrap it up.
They're all calling me out like the half-breed stuff. Like, yeah. My wife's coming in yelling at me too. All right, y'all. Yeah, no, I have nothing new to say, guys. Tune in for Power Hour. I'm gonna be super chill for Power Hour. We're gonna pretend like this never happened, even though it was recorded and it's out there. Oh man, I'm a bit unhinged today. Mondays for me are like bleh, everywhere. But hope everyone made some money, right? Made some money, had some fun, had some laughs. Oh man. Outside of that, I got nothing else, bro. I got nothing else. I'm gonna go get my ass beat by my wife. So,
all right, guys. Well, look, we appreciate you guys. If you made some chicken today, excellent. Remember, all we ask for is that the staff, the moderators work completely free. They work extremely hard. They answer every unanswered question you guys have ever had. Moderators.
Get a ban on
Javi. They answer every question. So make sure to open a support ticket and ask whatever question you have to the winners. Congratulations. If you're going to buy an account, guys, make sure to use code BDM on every single prop firm. If you're on TPT, you can use code P2P. This is how we continue to get accounts to give away to you guys. We will still be the reigning champs on giveaways in the industry. No community does it like we do. And we appreciate you guys for being here with our foolishness. We got Trading Wheels in about 46 minutes, 47 minutes. Make sure to go tap in to Trading Wheels. More accounts given away, more live trading. A lot of experts there to answer more questions. Followed into Power Hour with the legendary Maestro himself, and I don't know who. And that's basically it, guys. If you see any of the educators on social media, like Javi, Logan, Coach, the Max Options Trading website page as well, or the Trading Llama, guys, feel free to give a follow, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate y'all. Repost goes a long way. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. The hats are officially out. Go tune in. And we're out this bitch. Great fucking day today, Javi. Good chicken was made.
Yeah, there was good chicken.
Anarchy.
Good chicken.
Anarchy, drop that hot shit for us, twin. I just realized I never recorded, bro. I clicked fucking pause instead of record. GG.
Oh, GG.
W-man.
Steam and the green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the candle. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's short and on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with the grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. the trend.